These are the instructions for Workplace 4D, Estimate and Check. Each pair of players needs a 4D Estimate and Check record sheet to share, one deck of Estimate and Check cards, one die marked 1 through 6, and pencils. So you're going to shuffle the deck of cards, put them face down between you, then roll a die to see who gets to go first. So here I've got a game going, and my first player here drew this card, and I'm zoomed in on the sheet because it's just easier to read. So here is the first card. Our classroom measures 252 inches along one wall. About how many feet is that? And they're reminding us there are 12 inches in a foot. So I'm going to say that I'm going to divide 252 and 12. I know that feet are bigger than inches, so it won't take as many of them. And so I'm going to divide to find that answer. So I record my problem here. And then I have to pick an estimate from the 6 options that are above where I've written my name. And so let me think about this. So let's see. I know that if I double 12, I get 24. So I'm going to say that if I multiply this by 20, I would get 240. I think that's probably a pretty good estimate. So let's see. I don't have a 20 up here. It's kind of halfway between the 18 and the 22. I'm going to have to make a decision on that. I'm going to guess it's the 22. And then I'm going to record that. So my estimate is 22. I'm going to put that right there. All right, now we go over to player 2. Player 2, I've already drawn a card for you. And this card is 147 divided by 14, which I've recorded up here. Again, I have to choose from the 6 estimates that are just above where I'm recording my work. So this one is not a bad problem at all, because I already know that if I multiply 14 times 10, I get 140, and that's really close to my dividend here. But I don't have a 10 up here. The closest thing I have to 10 is 11. So I'm going to say my estimate is 11. And I record that there. Now, each of us is going to use a calculator to see what the actual answer is. So I'm going to enter 252 divided by 12 into my calculator, and I got 21. So I'm going to record that. Right here. And then I'm going to find the difference between the estimate and the answer. And, well, I only have a difference of 1. So that was a good estimate. Let's go over here and see about this player. So if I put 147 divided by 14 in my calculator, I get 10.5, or 10 5/10. Might be the easiest way. Or you can actually put 10.5 in there if you want to. 10 1/2. Oh, goodness. So what is the difference between these two? Well, it's only 1/2, isn't it? I thought player 1 was doing well. This player really got close. And we keep playing using those very same steps until each of us has done 5 rounds. And then we're going to add up all the differences at the end. And the player with the lowest difference total is the winner.